Hi, how are you? As you are asking me to how you can restore or back up your website, so I told you that you have a server SiteGround, remember? And you have bought the server from here for the Coolitebamboo, and you can basically you don't need to backup because there is always this server taking a backups. And how you will be accessing your backup? First, you have to log in your SiteGround account, and I know you know that what is your logins of SiteGround. Okay, so this is my account basically. Okay, and I just shared the Koolite Bamboo to the SiteGround so I can access easily without bothering you because sometimes you're away. So I just try to log in independently to access the site and check if there is anything wrong or right. Okay, so first we have to go their websites, and then we have to go there, the site tools. This is your website. I have different websites, so this is your website which is shared with me. Okay, and then you have to click on site tools. So this is the same platform. This is the same thing you will be seeing onto your server when you logged in, and you just need to click on site tools. You will be seeing this page. Okay, after that, you have a security tab here. Okay, and there is under backups, and under that you have like you see that hit the first December backup have taken uh, at morning 7:28 a.m. Okay, this is my time, so you will be seeing your time and your dates. Okay, and then this is taken every day for the last 30 days. Okay. Like for each 30 day, you will have a backup, but before the 30 days, you will not have any. So if you want to restore sometimes, if your website is go down and you see that your website is have some critical issues and you need instantly access your website. So what you just need to restore website. So here you have an option, restore all files in database, restore files, restore database, and restore emails. These are the options you have. Okay, and you can use, like, if you see some some files are corrupted, so you just click on this and all the files are backed up. Okay, so if you think that this is the database issue, so you can click on this, and if you don't know what is the issue with that, so one you can click on this. So let's suppose if you have critical issues on last 2 days, but it is taking a backup, it will take the backups. But you restored this one, you still facing some issues. You restored this one, you still facing some issues. So you can also restore any of this version. So it will be overriding everything in few minutes, and you will have your website and all the access. Okay. So this way you can take a backup and restore your website. Okay, thank you.